Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Today I'm not going to do any cooking, but I got a new product for y'all. Just got a new smoker and I'm pretty excited about it, so get y'all turned around here and let's take a look at it. Alright guys, so here it is. It's the Gateway drum. I don't know if y'all have seen these or not, but supposedly they're pretty awesome. And the cool thing is you don't have to bend over to adjust your vents. You adjust your vents right here. And has two intakes. And then you have your exhaust up here. So you lift this up. You got a hanger here, so you hang it on the side of the drum. And then this is your rib hanging basket. And you got some hooks here for the hanging ribs. Great. You got your heat diffuser, and then you got your charcoal basket down below. What they say to do is to spray this whole thing down inside with Pam, but I'm using Costco's brand Pam, same stuff. So I'm gonna spray this whole inside down, and then the grate and everything, just then put it back in there. And I'm gonna get it cranked up with some good lump charcoal, and I'm gonna get it about 300, and they say to hold it there for an hour or two. So plus it'll be a test run to see where I need my vents and everything. And I got something else I'll show y'all too. I got an adapter plate for this, so I can use my Flame Boss 300 with the fan. So and then I can maintain temps really well with that. So got a couple of wax cubes in here. I'm gonna go ahead and light. Alright, we'll let those go for a little bit. I got a good little bed of coals going, so I'm gonna go and get the grate in, spray that down, and then adjust my vents and try to get it around 300. And I'll be back. Got it around about 300, so I'm gonna let it go for a little while, and I'll be back with y'all. Alright guys, this is that adapter I wanted to show you. This is what you hook your fan up to. That way you're gonna, run it without pretty much being around it at all, really. But you take this plate off here and you put this on there, and so that'd be pretty cool. Figured I already got the controller, might as well go ahead and get the adapter so I can run it. But from what I hear, these drums you really don't need to babysit them too much anyway. I mean, they're pretty much, you put them on there and set your get your temp dialed in, and it'll pretty much stay there. So alright guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I just wanted to bring y'all in and see the new smoker and everything. But I'm gonna be doing some videos on this real soon, doing some cooks on it. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do first yet. Maybe just do a pork butt or something, just something simple, and see how it does. But if y'all like what y'all seeing here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna have a lot more videos coming out, so just stay tuned. Until next time, River City Barbecue.